welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another wig review. Now, before I jump into the video, I do apologize for the sound that you guys might hear. I am washing clothes, and I'm also washing my dishes in the dishwasher, so please excuse the noise. But today's hair review is this cute little wig that's giving me auntie vibes, and y'all know I'm an auntie, so it's perfect for me. But this wig came from Hotbeautyhair. This company reached out to me and asked me to review this wig, so today I'm gonna give you the details about this wig and how I like it. I was gonna do a voiceover, but I decided not to, okay, because I'm really feeling this wig, so I need to talk, okay? I need to talk. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Saw from the previous clip, Hotbeautyhair sent me a couple of goodies, okay? They sent me a pair of tweezers, they sent me some hair clips, they sent me some bobby pins, they sent me the edge, you know, the edge control little brush. They sent me an extra elastic strap, okay? And then they, of course, sent me this wig. Now, this wig has 3 combs, if I remember correctly, 1 in the back and 2 on the side, or 2 on the front side. Then, of course, they did add an elastic strap to this wig, but I did not use it. And, of course, this wig does have an adjustable strap in the back. So this is a pull-on, pull-off wig, very easy on the go. So if you're in a rush, go ahead, take this wig, pull it on, and, you know, when you get home from a long day, you take it off, okay? So let's go ahead and jump into a little bit more details about this wig. So this is Hotbeautyhair's curly shag wig style with wispy bang. It retails right now for $159 even, okay? Even. Now with Hotbeautyhair, you can use quad pay, so that will come out to 4 payments of about $39.75. This is in 10 inches. It is also human hair, by the way, and it is in natural black. The density is 180%, cap size is medium size, throw on the go wig, easy to maintain, fluffy hair wig, which I do have to agree, and I absolutely love that. It's curly, of course. They said that it will last up to a year. You can dye it, and I did misspeak. There are 4 combs, because y'all know I film the construction part of the wig first, then I do my review, so I can forget, you know, that quickly. But there is 4 combs. Once again, adjustable strap, and there is a no glue needed. So of course, make sure you guys check the description box below for all the details that I just told you. I will leave the link, the direct link to the hair and all of that good stuff. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys what I think about this wig, and then I also have a code that you guys can use, okay? for Hot Beauty Hair, and especially if you like this wig, okay? So y'all know how I feel about curly hair. If you do, I love me some curly hair. I love me some bangs, okay? I don't have a wig like this, if I remember correctly. I don't have a wig like this with the shaggy, you know, wispy bangs. So this is super duper cute. Like when I first saw it, I was like, that's cute. And then I put it on, I was like, yes, like this is definitely me, something I will rock. So it is really cute. Like it's curly. I just fluffed it out a little bit and all that. So it is super duper cute. Like I'm really loving it. So this is how it looks in the front. This is how it looks on the side. This is how it looks on the, this is how it looks in the back. And this is how it looks on the other side. So very cute. Like I said, it's giving me auntie vibes. You know, I'm 30 and an aunt, so I'm really like, this is really me. Like I really like it, okay? So y'all let me know down in the comments what you think about this wig, how you feel about this wig, the length, the hair texture, all that stuff, because I am loving it, okay? I am finna snap some pictures, okay? I'm gonna snap some pictures, get that going, sip on my wine. Okay, I got my pink Moscato tonight. Delicious, okay? So y'all let me know what you think about this wig, okay? Let me know all the details. And like I said, I do have a code for you guys. I will leave it in the description box, of course, and I will pin it in the comments. The code is Erin15. ERIN15. So make sure you guys use my code to receive 15% off of your purchase. But that is pretty much it for this video. I do want to thank Hot Beauty Hair for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig because it is super duper cute, and I hope to work with them again in the future. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, okay? As well as that post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. And y'all know my OG subscribers, my ride or die, thank y'all for, you know, sticking it out with me. I'm trying to get back into posting consistent. I got some videos that I'm behind that I need to, you know, edit. So if y'all see me pushing out videos like that, just, you know, go ahead, watch them, show me some love, leave me a comment, all that good stuff. But that is it, okay? That is it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.